G'day, here's a few pieces of Australian Boulder Opal matrix from central Queensland. I don't know which field it came from, rules and millimetres. The material's been wetted, the white that you're seeing there is the light reflection. We'll just go in a bit closer. Okay, I've gone in a bit closer. Botryoidal matrix, which are made up of these round nodules, form this sort of pattern, half moon shapes. With this piece, needs to be sliced through that way. So you cut across the top. End up with some nice stones. Sure if that's off the same piece. Could be, yeah. Been the same piece sliced. Look at the red in here. Coming up on the camera. Oh yeah, there's a little bit, but there's a lot more. Goes right across there, so that's the way it needs to be sliced. Through there, and that'll probably end up with two. This piece, there's your, probably make this the bottom and grind the top off and see what you've got. You can see these little nodules here formed by the opal. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.